Here I have VIVO Y200, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And in the following menu, you should use volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option recovery mode. So here in this menu, you should select an option clear data, then clear cache. And after a few seconds, cache, as you can see, cache wipe complete, then you just go to return and select an option restart, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.